Hello, welcome to Osborn and Dronco. My name is Lasse Becker. I'm the Vice President Industrial Tools in Europe and Asia for Osborn, and I'm the General Manager of Dronco GmbH in Wunsiedel. I want to talk with you today about the rebranding we are doing, moving from Dronco and Osborn brand discs, which we already had for the last 2 years now, to the new layout with Osborn as our main brand on our products. This year we would have introduced the new brand at the Cologne Fair, but unfortunately due to COVID-19 the Cologne Fair did not take place. Many customers have already received this booklet, which explains the next step in moving now the entire abrasive portfolio under the stronger Osborn brand. What does that mean for you? Well, in our production plant here in Wunsiedel, nothing changes. We still have the very modern production you used to know, and we have the know-how and the knowledge of our engineers in research and development in the lab, as well as in sales and purchasing. You will also have the ability to contact the very same people you're used to talk to. On the other hand, we will give you the advantage of a much stronger brand, moving all our marketing activities together under the brand of Osborn. And that gives you the advantage of a stronger market position of us, both on the brush side as well as on the abrasive side. Therefore, we kindly invite you, join us on that journey. We want to move forward together with you under the stronger brand of Osborn.